Surprising fact that you may not know about fertility. Yes, in today's video, we are going to be talking about the surprising facts about fertility and getting pregnant that a lot of you watching me do not know. Share this video. Have you shared this video? Please share this video woto. Like and follow our page. Drop your prayer request. This is the starting day of this week. Drop whatever you want God to do for you. And before I dive into this video, I would like to put a disclaimer that myself, I am not a medical practitioner, neither am I an expert. I am a researcher. I study already concluded researches about fertility, and I created this page only to inform, educate, sanitize, enlighten women that are trying to conceive. And this content is intended for general information only and must not be used as a basic for patient treatment. If you have any issue or you need recommendation, prescription, please contact your fertility expert, your gynecologist, or your healthcare provider. Please take note of this. Now, a lot of people want to become pregnant. They don't want to know how it will happen. All I know is that I want to become pregnant. Of course, it is a thing of joy. Of course, when you get married, the next, especially Africans, some whites, they don't literally want to have a child. But in Africa, where I come from, every woman, once you get married, the next thing is baby, 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 baby. Now, let us look at the surprising facts about fertility or becoming pregnant that you that is watching me do not know. Number one is a woman is born with lifetime supplies of egg ranging from 1 to 2 million. When you were born, like if you have been following my live teaching, I'm sorry that I have not been coming live due to busy schedules, but when I am fixed, I will return. Every woman is born with a lifetime egg. That is the egg that is going to serve you throughout your time of childbearing. Now, every given day of your life, you lose 30 immature eggs. Now, by the time you get to puberty, you have about 300,000 left. 300,000 left. This is just puberty. Now, by the time you get to 30, you have about 100,000 left. Then 40, like 20. I'm just working this thing out. When you get to 40, you have 20,000 eggs left there. So you see the reason why I always encourage women to start getting married early if you actually want to have your own children. Is advisable. Don't wait until 46, until 40 before you start getting married. And that is not a good advice. Most women think that if they haven't achieved their aims, they won't get married because they see marriage as a hindrance or as an obstacle to attain their goal. That notion is wrong. You can be your husband's house. You can still continue your work. You can be your husband's house. You can be working and be bearing your children. You don't know the type of advantage you will have when you have your children at the early age. You will save yourself a lot of stress. The number one surprising things you do not know is that a woman is born with her lifetime egg. The number two is this. You don't need to jollificate every day when trying to conceive. Some people, when you tell them to, jollificate when they are trying to conceive, some will be doing it every day. Some even have the mind to do it 4 times a day. Haba. It's not like that. You don't need to jollificate every day. You need to figure. I'm going to tell you the days you need to jollificate when you are trying to conceive. It's not all about jollificating every day. If you are jollificating every day, you still have other issues that you need to fix. You won't get pregnant because the main cause of this thing have not been fixed. So You don't need to be jollificating every day. If you don't know the meaning of jollification, ask in the comment section. One is a 30-year-old woman has a 20% chance of conceiving naturally every month. You don't know. At 30, your fertility reduces. So at 30, you have 20% chance of becoming pregnant. Now, you need to think at 30, you have 20. If you are 40 and above, how many chances? Worry that. The one is, even if you already have a child, this doesn't mean that it will be easy for you to be becoming pregnant. Have you heard about secondary infertility? Secondary infertility is when a woman who have given birth before is trying to conceive for the second time and it's not happening. So for that you have given birth before is not a guarantee that it will be easy for you to become pregnant, especially those of us that have a fertility issue before they become pregnant. You will see yourself struggling. These are the surprising things you don't know about fertility. Another one is STD can affect both male and female fertility. STD means sexual transmitted disease. That's why I tell you, if you have infection and you are trying to become, whether you are trying to become pregnant or not, please make sure that you treat it. Very, very important. Another one is your overall health can impact your fertility. For example, if you are smoking, smoking reduces the quality of your egg, and in your husband's part, it reduces the quantity and motility of his semen. So if your husband or you yourself is smoking, please, it is something that you have to talk about. You have to find a way to avoid it for time being. Generally, even in the pack of that thing you are smoking, like in Dutch now, if you see cigarette, they wrote it, rauchen can be the third sign, that is smoking is deadly. But people will still see it, they will buy it and be, whether you are perceiving or you are the one smoking. Even the worst one is the people that smoke. You don't smoke, but you are staying closer to somebody. When they smoke, they will blow you this thing. You are perceiving it. Their own is even better because they have filter, something that filter is. So if you are smoking or your partner is smoking and you want to become pregnant, you would like to look into it. Another one is alcohol. Alcohol is not good. Thing you do not know about fertility is that men also have their own kind of infertility. Fertility decline in men with age. So most of people, when they are not getting pregnant, they think that the problem is coming from them. It's a lie. Your husband have their own kind of infertility. So now that you are aware of this, I would like you to go and work on this search. Find out where you fall and fix it. I hope I make sense in this video, or was I just talking blah blah? Well, if you like this content and this is the kind of video you have been looking for, like and follow our page, subscribe to support us, and God will bless.